Hey there, snack lovers. Are you ready to upgrade your snack game and keep those energy levels up throughout the day? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into some quick and easy healthy snack ideas. First up, let's talk about the ultimate snack combo, apples and peanut butter. Simply slice up an apple, spread on some creamy peanut butter, and you've got yourself a tasty treat packed with fiber and protein. Next, why not try some Greek yogurt with berries and granola? It's a deliciously creamy snack that's loaded with calcium, antioxidants, and whole grains. Feeling a bit savory? How about some crunchy veggie sticks with hummus? Carrots, cucumber, bell peppers. The possibilities are endless, and you'll be getting a dose of vitamins and fiber to keep you feeling satisfied. And let's not forget about the classic trail mix. Mix together some nuts, seeds, and dried fruit for a portable snack that's perfect for on-the-go munching. Last but not least, indulge your sweet tooth with some dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, while almonds provide healthy fats and protein. And there you have it, a handful of delicious, nutritious snack ideas to keep you fueled and focused throughout the day. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for one of these snacks and feel good about what you're eating. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite healthy snack ideas in the comments below. Until next time, happy snacking.